Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing math. Students, in last lecture we did question number 7 from past papers of coordinate geometry. Today we are going to do question number 8. This question came in May-June 2015, paper 2-2. Let's start question number 8. Solution by accurate drawing will not be accepted. The line y is equals to mx plus 4 meets the line x is equals to 2 and x is equals to -1 at the point P and Q respectively. The point R is such that QR is parallel to the y-axis and the gradient of RP is 1. The point P has coordinates 2, 10. Part 1, find the value of M. So the line which is passing through P and Q has equation is y is equals to mx plus 4. So it is very easy to find the value of M. Just satisfy this equation y is equals to mx plus 4 by the point P to 10. So our line is y is equals to mx plus 4 and this line passes through P 2, 10. So the value of y is 10 is equals to m. The value of x is 2 plus 4. 10 minus 4 is equals to 2m. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 upon 2 is m. 2 3s are 6. M is equals to 3. This is the answer of part 1. The value of m is 3. Now our equation becomes y is equals to mx plus 4. 3x plus 4. This value of m definitely will help in part number 2. What is part number 2? Find the y coordinates of Q. Again, this is very easy. We have the equation y is equals to 3x plus 4. And you can see in the diagram the value of Q, which is xy, the value of x is -1 because the point Q lie on the line x is equals to -1. So x is equals to -1. So y is equals to 3 into -1 plus 4. Y is equals to -3 plus 4 is equals to 1. Hence the coordinates of Q are -1, 1. Why we put -1? Because the point lies on the equation x is equals to -1. Clearly you can see the coordinates of Q is -1 and y, and we find y by putting the value of x is equals to -1 in the equation 3x plus 4. See part number 3. Find the coordinates of R. Student, you can see coordinate of R. You can see the line QR is parallel to y-axis. You can see equation. Where is the line QR? QR is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, you can say coordinates of R is -1 and y. Same strategy. of coordinates q, we just find in previous part. So coordinate of r is -1. What is coordinate of y? We have already find q. Q 2 comma 10. Sorry, kindly wait. P, RP, sorry. P is 2 comma 10 and R is -1 y. According to question, you can see again, see many times, QR is parallel to y axis and the gradient of RP is 1. So we will use this strategy, gradient of RP. So gradient of RP is equals to y2 minus y1, y minus 10 upon x2 minus x1, and the gradient of RP given in the question is 1, y minus 10 upon minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 is equals to y minus 10, and y is equals to minus 3 plus 10 is equals to 7. Hence coordinates of r is -1 comma 7. I will repeat again how to find the coordinates of r. According to question, QR is parallel to y-axis. R also lies on the line x is equals to -1. So the coordinates of r must be -1 comma y. How to find y? We have the gradient RP is given, which is 1. So P is 210 and R is -1 y, and we use the gradient formula y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 and put the value of gradient 1. We will get the coordinate of R, which is -1 comma 7. Okay, next part. Next part is very easy. Find the equation of the line through P. So through P means we have P 2 comma 10 perpendicular to PQ. So we have coordinates Q -1 comma 1. Now first find the coordinates of PQ. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 minus 9 upon -3, it is 3, and the perpendicular gradient is, this is the symbol of perpendicular sign. So if two lines are perpendicular, then their product must be, their product of their gradient must be equals to -1. So you can say if the gradient of PQ is 3, then the line perpendicular line, the gradient of perpendicular line is -3, and the coordinate of P is 2 comma 10. Now we can use the formula y minus y1 is equals to m times x minus x1, and we have to give the answer is in the form of ax plus by plus is equals to c. Very easy. Three into y is 3y. 3 tens are 30 minus x minus minus plus 2. So x plus 3y, and 30 must go on other side. 30 plus 2 is 32. So this is the answer of part number 4. X plus 3y is equals to 32. The requirement of the question is find the equation of the line through P perpendicular to PQ, giving your answer in the form of AX plus BY is equals to C, where A, B and C are constant. So this is the requirement. X plus 3y is equals to 32. Now part number 5, find the coordinates of the midpoint M, the line PQ. So it is very easy. P is given in the question 2, 10. Q we have find minus 1, 1. The coordinates of M are x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y1 upon 2. So M is equals to 2 minus 1, 1 upon 2. 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 upon 2. So final answer is the coordinates of midpoint is 1 upon 2, 11 upon 2. Answer. See the next part. What is next part? Find the area of triangle QRM. So in order to find the area of triangle, we must have coordinates of Q. We have find minus 1, 1, coordinates of R minus 1, 7, coordinates of M are 1 upon 2 and 11 upon 2. Now we have to use the same formula which we are using in previous questions, the area of triangle, which is 1 upon 2 x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 and x1 y1. Minus 1 into 7 minus 7, minus 1 into 11 upon 2 minus 11 upon 2. 1 upon 2 into 1 is 1 upon 2, bracket, minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 7 into 1 upon 2 is 7 upon 2, 11 upon 2 into minus 1 is minus 11 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Simplify, minus 7 minus 11 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 is minus 24 upon 2. Simplify, minus 1 plus 7 upon 2 minus 11 upon 2 minus plus 6 upon 2, which is very easy. 24 upon 2 is minus 12 and 6 upon 2 is 3. 12 minus 3 is minus 9. 1 upon 2 and minus 9 becomes plus 9 because area is a positive quantity. So the answer is 4.5 square units. 4.5 square units. Lengthy question but very easy. So this is our today's class where we did question number 8, which came in May-June 2015, paper 2-2. Very easy and lengthy. Total marks of this question are 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So what next? We will do in next lecture question number 9. So I request all of you kindly do subscribe my channel, and wherever you subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my videos you will get the notification. Kindly share my videos, my lectures, as many as you can. Good luck for next lecture.